The English word emperor comes from the Latin imperator, and this is a title of the Roman emperors, but it originates in the concept of imperium, which gives us the English empire. In the Roman Republic, imperium was simply the power given to someone to do what's in the best interests of the state. Public officials and military commanders had imperium, the legal authority, to do their jobs, in a hierarchical fashion, of course, and with immunity from prosecution. So when Pompey was granted imperium to rid the Mediterranean of pirates, he had imperium maius, command outranking all others, including the consuls, for 50 miles inland. In the Republic, imperium was fleeting and had to be given up at the end of a term, and this loss of immunity was a big reason why Julius Caesar marched on Rome. As a holder of imperium, he was technically an imperator before the emperors. But as Augustus and Tiberius established their rule with the title imperator, it became clear that they were both the head of the army and chief power in Rome.